Welcome to Lesson 1 Continued of Order of Operations. Here we'll look at some common mistakes that are made when simplifying expressions with various operations. So example 1. On a multiple choice question on a test, Wally evaluated 6 plus 2 times 2 cubed and got 64. Now since this was not an option to choose from, he knew he was incorrect. Explain what error you think Wally made and state the correct answer. So let's start by working this out. So we have 6 plus 2 times 2 cubed. Now according to BEDMAS, we need to start with the exponent. 2 cubed is 8. Now we'll do the multiplication. 2 times 8 is 16. And then adding that to 6, we get 22. Now there are a couple of errors that Wally may have made to lead to an answer of 64. So let's explore. So let's say he did do the exponent correctly and said it was 8. But then he added before multiplying. He said 6 plus 2 was 8. And then multiplying that by 8 gives him the 64, like he got. So that may be the mistake that Wally made. So let's say that Wally probably added before multiplying. And that is a common mistake, seeing that the addition comes before the multiplication in the expression. Example 2. Both Norm and Kathy evaluate the expression given. Norm got 42, while Kathy got negative 48. Who is correct? So according to BEDMAS, we'll start with the exponents, since there's no brackets here to simplify. Now negative 3 squared is negative 9, since there's no brackets around the negative. And then negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Next we do multiplication and division in the order that they appear from left to right. So we'll do the multiplication, which is negative 45. Then we'll do the division. 24 divided by negative 8 is negative 3. Now we'll add them together to give us negative 48. So then we can say that Kathy was correct. Now as a little side note, a calculator can be used to help with each little calculation, but you still need to write out your solution step by step to show that you know your order of operations. So it's no good to just punch the whole expression to the calculator and out pop negative 48. You need to show step by step workings like I've done here. Now, example 3 says Nancy evaluated the expression below and made a few errors. Explain her mistakes and write the correct answer. So according to BEDMAS, the first thing that we should simplify are the brackets. Now within those brackets, we have a subtraction and an exponent. So we do the exponent before the subtraction. But it looks like Nancy did subtraction before the exponent. 13 minus 3 is 10. So that's the first mistake I notice. I'll say that Nancy subtracted before doing the exponent. Okay, let's continue to see if there's anything else. So next she should work out her exponents. 8 cubed is 512. Negative 4 cubed is negative 64, and 10 squared is 100, so no mistakes there. Now in the next step, we have an addition and a division, so she should divide first, but it looks like she added 512 and negative 64 first to give 448. So that's the next mistake. Say that Nancy added before dividing. And then she divided and got 4.48. Okay, so let's write the correct answer now that we know where she went wrong. So we need to start by doing the exponent in the brackets. 3 squared is 9. Then we need to subtract. 13 take away 9 is 4. Now we'll do our exponents. That's 512, and that's negative 64. Now we need to divide before we add. So now negative 64 divided by 4 is negative 16. And then adding that to 512, I get 496.